Ancient Greece literacy check. Ancient Greece geography. Ancient Greece's civilization was located in southeastern Europe along the Mediterranean Sea coast. The region's geography helped shape the government and culture of the ancient Greeks. Geographical formations such as mountains, seas, and islands created natural barriers between the Greek city states and forced Greeks to settle along the coast. The Aegean Sea. The Greeks first settled an area of the Mediterranean known as the Aegean Sea. Greek city states formed along the Aegean coastline and on several islands in the sea. The Aegean was used to travel from city to city and provided fish to eat. Mountains. About 80% of the Greek mainland was mountainous, making it difficult to make long journeys by land. Natural barriers between city states were formed by the mountains. Mount Olympus, where the ancient Greeks believed their gods lived, was the tallest mountain in Greece. The Pindus mountain range ran north to south along much of mainland Greece and was often referred to as the spine of Greece. Climate. Ancient Greece typically had hot summers and mild winters. Most people wore lightweight clothing throughout the year since it was so hot. A cloak or a wrap could be worn during the colder days of the winter months. And Greece has four regions. These are the regions. The Peloponnese. The Peloponnese was a large peninsula located at the southern tip of the Greek mainland. It was only connected to the mainland by a small strip of land known as the Isthmus of Corinth. This region was home to several major Greek city states like Sparta, Corinth, and Argos. Central Greece. North of the Peloponnese was considered Central Greece. It was home to the famous region of Attica and the city state of Athens. Northern Greece. This region is sometimes broken up into three major regions: Thessaly, Epirus, and Macedonia. Mount Olympus is located in northern Greece. The islands. The major groupings of the Greek islands were the Cyclades Islands, the Dodecanese, and the northern Aegean Islands. Major cities. Ancient Greeks spoke the same language and had similar cultures. However, they were not a large empire, but divided into a number of powerful city states like Athens, Sparta, and Thebes. Major settlements. Greek colonies were set up throughout the Mediterranean and the Black Sea. This included modern day Italy, France, Spain, Turkey, and parts of North Africa. These colonies spread Greek culture throughout this region. Question 1. Which of the following would be the least necessary to include in a summary about the geography of ancient Greece? A. The region's geography helped shape the government and culture of the ancient Greeks. B. The major regions of Greece were the Peloponnese, Central Greece, Northern Greece, and the islands. C. A cloak or a wrap would be worn during the colder days of the winter months. Or D. Most of the ancient Greece had a mountainous terrain that formed natural borders between the city states. Number 2. Which best completes the analogy? Olympus is to mountain as Crete is to. Is it a river, an island, an isthmus, or a plain? To give you some idea, right here, this is Crete. This that I'm circling, this is Crete. So if Olympus was a mountain, what was Crete? Next question. Which of the following is not a way the Aegean Sea impacted the ancient Greeks according to the article? A. They used it for transportation. B. They used it to fish for food. C. They used its coastlines to form their city states. Or D. They used it to invade other nations with their navy. What is the main reason it was difficult to travel by land throughout ancient Greece? A, the land was very mountainous. B, the winters were harsh and cold. C, there were no wheels in ancient Greece. Or D, the ancient Greeks did not have the means to travel. Means the technology and the money to travel. In which region was Athens located? The Peloponnese region, Central Greece region, Northern Greece region, or the Islands region? Where was Athens? Natural barriers between city states were formed by rivers. Is this true or false? Ancient Greece typically had mild winters and hot summers. True or false? The Greeks first settled around the Black Sea. True or false? Ancient Greece was a large empire with a centralized government. True or false? The Peloponnese region was completely surrounded by water. True or false? Northern Greece was often divided into three regions. True or false? And when you are finished, you may hit the submit button.